There is certainly a lot to track in your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast today.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center tracking it all for us. Tony, we understand that there could be some snow on the way Sunday.
A little bit. I think no more than a coating, so I don't want to give the impression that there's a snowstorm, but at the same time, it's not a dry, comfortable day for Valentine's Sunday either, unfortunately. So kind of that half and half weekend, looking at kind of a light mixture of precipitation, and it arrives tomorrow night and into really most of Sunday, especially Sunday morning, but I don't think shovels or plows will be needed. Take a look outside under gray skies, and looking at temperatures that are in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Make the most of that little sliver of sun. I think mainly cloudy skies are on tap for tomorrow. A little sunshine perhaps early in the morning. So our threat tracker is fine for tonight. The daylight hours of Tuesday, Saturday, looking okay. It's really later Saturday evening, Saturday night into Sunday. So we're going to highlight it yellow. And again, not that because we have a big storm on the way by any means, but it's very light precipitation. Looking at a light wintry mix sometime around or starting around 10, 11 o'clock in the evening. So the early evening hours, you have dinner plans, it should be dry, and that should extend into Valentine's Sunday. So unsettled, not a major storm, and we're going to be using the word mixture a lot over the next several days. And the reason why, I mean, the air is cold enough for some frozen precipitation each time a system comes through. It's just not cold enough for all snow. So what I refer to here as a light mixture on Sunday is very light snow showers, some light sleet, a little bit of freezing, either mist or drizzle, which in itself the amounts are really not that high, but I mean it doesn't take much to make an untreated surface kind of slick or slippery. So that's the reason for the heads up here on Valentine's Sunday. So cold and dry tonight, kind of that half and half weekend. Boy, talk about a very active pattern that's on tap for the next roughly 5 to 7 days. After Valentine's Sunday, we're watching another system Monday evening, Monday night into Tuesday, another one on Thursday as well. So a lot of ups and downs, kind of a roller coaster ride. It's in the upper 20s to low 30s right now, including 31 in Providence. A few snow showers to our north and west shouldn't be a factor. What we're watching is moisture coming out of the Gulf. This will track north and east and clip the area tomorrow night into Valentine's Sunday, especially during the morning. Again, very light in terms of amounts, but still kind of a nuisance. I mean, it still needs to be respected because it doesn't take much in the way of precipitation, especially when temperatures are just borderline, to make some areas a little slippery. The core of the cold air is across the middle of the country, but we have a little bit of cold air here to make that light wintry mix. So we take a look at the forecast this evening and overnight, which is quiet, no issues at all. Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, starting off in the low 20s, any hazy sun giving way to increasing clouds. The daylight hours look dry. Temperatures still cold for this time of year, only upper 20s, but at least it's dry through tomorrow evening, 10, 11 o'clock. But once we get towards midnight and beyond, we'll bring in that light wintry mix, and that will spill over into Sunday. So for tomorrow morning, gradual increase in the cloud cover, temperatures in the 20s, and then during the afternoon we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. And again, these temperatures are a solid 10 degrees below average. So there's your light wintry mix on Valentine's Sunday 34. I'm actually more concerned about the Monday night, Tuesday time frame. This may be a more important storm, maybe not so much in terms of snow, but rather sleet and ice. So stay tuned. Temperatures both those days between 30 and 35. Brian and Kim?